Wow, life is beautiful. We have beautiful, sunny and shining day. The Marmara Sea is welcoming me directly near me. It's beautiful. The weather is amazing, ambience is perfect and so elegant. Do you think I am walking on a public area? No. Selamünaleyküm everyone. Welcome to Ozyar Projects YouTube real estate channel. I am Hakan Özer. Today I'm so excited because we have really unique luxurious apartment project at unique location. This is the only project which is satellite directly near the Marmara Sea in Istanbul. If you are looking for the meaning of the luxury, this project can answer your questions easily. And what we have as general specification? We have 113,000 square meters project area. On this 113,000 square meters project area, we have 10 blocks and 1,064 luxurious apartments. But you should hurry up because our sales amount are limited just with around 300 luxurious apartments. And I want to again get your attention for that area. We have 1.2 kilometers walking track. Can you imagine it? You are starting with your day with that amazing scenery and amazing compound. So when we consider the other advantages, other abilities of this compound, we have 5-star hotel and private hospital attached with the project too. This project directly offers you 5-star life conditions for you. And when we consider the variation of the choices of the properties, we have 1+1 up to 4 rooms plus 1 living room property choices. And minimum sizes are starting from the 88 square meters up to 400 square meters. I think I thought more than enough. Let me show you some sample properties for you. Welcome. Right now, I'm gonna show you as a sample property 2 rooms plus 1 living room, which is including 155 square meters gross area. And I have to mention that all the properties, all the flats are including breathtaking Marmara Sea view too. Please. I'm so excited to show you that 2 rooms plus 1 living room regular flat for you. Let me remind you the specification of this property. We have 150 square meters gross area, which is coming with 2 rooms, 2 bathrooms and 1 living room. And let's discover from the right side. Directly on the right side, we have spacious design living room and the open style kitchen over here too. One of the most important thing about this project is the scenery, because all the apartments has very good panoramic sea view too. It's beautiful and amazing. Look at that scenery. Right over there, there is a JD. If you have your own yacht, there is no problem because there is a private JD over here. You can stop over there and you can enjoy with your property too. And this section is separated as a balcony. We have U-shaped balcony, and this section you can use as a garden or you can put your jacuzzi too. Can you imagine it? With that amazing breathtaking sea view, you can get the pleasure of the jacuzzi too. This is the U-shape, all this flat surrounded by that U-shaped balcony. So let's keep it up because this video is going to be a little bit long, because I want to show you another type of the property as 4 rooms plus 1 living room. And when I look the quality of the materials, we have first quality and top quality materials over here too. And the property is coming with some appliances like oven, AC and electric stove top. We have underfloor central natural gas heating system over here too. And all the materials on the ground are compatible with the underfloor heating system too. So let's keep it up. You can see the storage areas over here. You can put your shoes and you can put your clothes over here. There is another storage area is available over here too. You can put your many clothes and stuffs over here too. The design of that 2 rooms plus 1 property is so practical and useful. Right over here we have common bathroom, and all the materials and the ceramics are again the first quality in the sections too. This section is separated for the room key section. You can manage all the temperatures of each section in this property separately, and this section also separated as a room for key section. You can access the balcony from this room too. You can realize how we are active region in Istanbul. The compound as itself so calm and peaceful. This life is looking for the city life. So let's keep it up. When we reach this section, master room is welcoming us. Inside the master room, we have full attached bathroom, and you can see the double sink over here. There's a walk-in shower, and also this room is facing to open wisdom too. It was the interest situation of the 2 rooms plus 1 living room. So let's have a look to it. 4 rooms plus 1 living room on the 20th floor. It's time to have a look to 4 rooms plus 1 living room breathtaking property on 20th floor. Hi dear, how are you?
Good. Here you are.
Thank you very much. So right now I'm ready to see the very spacious 4 rooms plus 1 living room regular flat with amazing sea view. Let me show you. We have 282 square meters gross area inside the flat, which is coming with 4 rooms, 2 bathrooms and 3 WC. First of all, I want to show that beautiful, breathtaking view. It's amazing. It's definitely amazing. If I would have a fish too, I could catch the fishes from the sea. Yeah, I can throw to the sea easily from that distance. I told you, this is the only project which you can purchase in Istanbul, which is directly facing the sea. This is the only project in Istanbul. And again, that section, if you want, you can use that area as a garden too. There is already automatic irrigation systems available, or you can cancel it. You can put your own jacuzzi on this balcony and you can get the pleasure of that breathtaking sea view from your property too. So let's keep it up. Look how big it is. And on the wall, we have first quality wallpapers. When I look the ceiling, I can see the central cooling system, and also we have as additional central underfloor heating system too. This section is separated as a dining room section. Next to dining room section, there is a spacious kitchen section is welcoming us. Also, the kitchen is attached with the balcony too. You can get the pleasure of the view on your breakfast too. There is nothing in front of us. There is just only beautiful Marmara Sea in front of us. If you have a yacht, you can come over here with your yacht too. So let's keep it up. All the materials are the first quality. There is no depth in this case. Look the size of the refrigerator. We have oven, dishwasher, stovetop. Everything is pretty good too. So let's keep it up. You can see the storage area on the entrance section. Right over here we have common WC section over here too. All the materials are the first quality inside the WC section too. Again, right over here there is another storage area. When we reach this section, rooms are welcoming us. We have 1, 2, 3 more rooms, laundry room and common bathroom. Right over here we have a laundry room. In front of it we have room for kids section, and also this room is looking for such an open wisdom too. As I mentioned before, rooms are also including the AC inside it. So let's keep it up. We have another room for kids section over here. Also we have again first quality wallpapers on the wall. Also this room is coming with AC. I have already realized it. Did you see that bath? We have such a smart hot system. Allah muhafaza. If there is an emergency situation because of the fire, there are detectors and these bars are opening and these are put off the fire. So let's keep it up. And when we reach this section, this is the common bathroom area, and again all the materials are the first quality. You can see the shower cabinet over here too. And I want to show you the master room too. The master room is coming with 3 sections. This is the bedroom section, attached bathroom and dressing room. So I want to show you the full attached bathroom. All the materials are the first quality inside the attached bathroom too. I want to show you there is a nice detail. You can get the pleasure of the beautiful scenery from your bedroom too. And this window is the double action. Ooh, mashallah, very strong and very heavy window. These are the aluminum frames. These are not the PVC, these are the aluminum frames, and look at that beautiful scenery. I want to show you as a last part of this property as a dressing room. You have really big dressing room section over here too. This edge is looking for the city side. You can see the modern city life items over here too. It was the interior situation of these beautiful properties. I hope that you enjoy when you're watching this video. You can ask me about one of the most important things, of course, the prices. Please check the description section of the video. Also, we have installment payment plan for you. It's basing on 50% down payment, and you can start to live inside your property, and rest of them can divide for the 36 months. For more information and catching this unique opportunity in unique location at Istanbul in Turkey, please direct contact with me. My name is Hakan Özer. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090-532-207-8634. If you like our videos, please not forget to like our videos. If you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel yet, your support is, your subscriptions are so important for us. Please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel too. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.